Hi, it's Blue Dagger here, and today we've got this cool naval ship right here. Look, there's a weapon there. And look, there's another weapon there. Oh, it looks really cool. And we got more weapons right here. We got so many weapons today that we can all try out. So, let's get into it. Alright, so first I gotta exit photo. Well, that was easy. Now we gotta get in the ship. This has full interior, so it's really laggy, but it's still pretty cool. Has everything, even a microwave, so we can make hot chocolate. Yeah, that's what we do a lot. All right, let's get up to the bridge. Waste no time, because we've got a special mission today. I've heard that there's some helicopters and ships all the way over there, and we have to go and deal with them. So let me just prepare the ship. Boring. Now we just need the bridge lights. There we go. Let's power it up. Do this. There we go. Alright, let's... Now, because of the bridge right there, we should probably go like around it. So let's just do that real quick. All right, and now we've made it to the other side of the bridge, made it past the island. So now I'll give you a tour of the ship. I haven't seen most of it yet, so I'll be surprised. I should probably turn the volume down real quick because I can barely hear myself. So is this it? There we go. Alright, so this is obviously the bridge, and we've got the sonar, radar right there. We've got our weapons right here. This is missile, this is cannons. And we're gonna have to go below decks to see the real good stuff. There's a water cannon. And this is a 50 cal. That leads up to the top of the ship. We might see that later. I'm not sure where this goes. It says cabin 2. I'm pretty sure all these look the same. Yep, we've got an infirmary, more thermal clothing. I think this is a fridge. Where's this go to? Oh, right there. Okay, this is just a hallway. Alright, let's see what's more below decks. Is there anything right here? There is. We'll check that out later. Okay, this is the equipment storage. Oh wow. Hazmat outfits, diving suits, underwater torches. Wow, we came prepared. Alright, enough of that. Now let's see, okay, this is probably like the same thing. So let's skip that. Oh, this is like a cool little jail cell. This is cool. The front deck ladder. Where's this go? Wait, the front deck. I forgot. Yeah, I don't think we need to go in there. This appears to be the armory. But look at this. Magic. Okay, I don't think I can do much magic. So, let's go back up. And let's see what's in here. Stairs. I've always wanted stairs. Alright, let's see this 50 cal. Oh, it goes with my mouse. Oh wow, this is cool. Alright. These look like, oh, I thought those were shafts. They're sonar noise makers. Wow. There's the missiles. I'm not sure what this thing is. It looks like a spaceship. Here's our helicopter pad where we came in from. And I'm not sure where this goes. Wow, more equipment. Wow, we got pretty far. I should probably get back up to the bridge to make sure nothing bad happens. Anyways, oh, we got an oil rig right there. It'd be a shame if anything bad happened to it. Oh, they are not gonna see this coming. Oh wait, no. We don't want that. Oh, we don't want that either. Alright, arming the cannon. Arm front. Yep. Alright, let's see what this can do. Oh, there's the oil rig. Oh, it's awesome. I think it locked on for a second. So do we just turn that off? Wait, do we just fire? Oh, it looks like we did. Okay. Seems like we cannot do anything to the oil rig for some reason. Alright. Wait. 3 of them. There's even a plane there. Oh my gosh. Okay, I should probably prepare the missiles. Alright. Let's prepare them. Okay, let's go. Autoloader, yes, yes. Arm radar, arm missiles, lights. No, we don't want that. Okay, we should be good to go. Oh man, they are not gonna see this one coming. I mean, maybe they are, but alright, where are ya? Oh, there's one, and another one, and another one. Alright, let's see this. Oh, it's going for that first one. Oh, is that a miss? I think it's a miss. Did it just have like a radar jamming thing? Or a chaff? Oh, they're launching stuff. Okay, it just obliterated one. Alright. Bye. Oh. Okay. Okay, it should be going. Should be good. And no. Okay. Oh wait, did we go too high? Darn it. It's right above us. I can't hit him. Oh no. It needs to reload. Oh, that was relatively quick. Oh no. It's right there. Come on. Okay, should be good. Let's go. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Come on. Okay, we're too high. Man. Let's check on the radar. Okay, now we should be good. Maybe not. Man, the dang thing moves so fast. Okay, let's try it now. It's clearly a master of evasive maneuvers, but try to outrun a missile. Okay, I saw a fighter jet and another helicopter. Alright. Not one of you is gonna escape this. Okay, it said it was targeting something. Oh no, that is bad. Okay, okay, now we just point and shoot. Okay, that's a problem. Maybe I just have bad aim. Come on. Oh. So does it got some? Oh. We need. Oh. Did it just evade it? Like it wasn't, like it was nothing? Excuse me. Okay. Let's try it again. Finally. Alright. Let's go. I see no targets, but I do see a target. Where is it? Let me at him. There he is. Hello. Oh, is it gonna hit? Is it gonna hit? Yeah, it did it. Okay. Now, it looks like there's a plane above us, so let's aim as high as we can and see if we can spot it. Oh, there's something there. It says. I don't really see anything. I guess we'll try it. Yeah, there was nothing there. Alright. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. We got a couple of targets. We had to wait too long to get them. But anyways, peace out.